Super Easy Drawings.
Hello everyone and welcome to the Super Easy Drawings channel. Today we are going to draw and color Pocoyo and Pato swimming with swim belts. Let's start drawing. To start, I'm going to draw Pato. I start with his eyes, then his beak, and a hat on his head. Now I draw his neck, his wings, and a leg. I draw his swim belt like this. Maybe the waves are so big that he can't stay in his swim belt. Uh-oh. Now let's draw Pocoyo on the other side. I start with his eyes, his nose, and his smiling mouth. Then I draw the shape of his head. He is wearing a hat. Now let's draw his body. He is holding his arm like this. He is waving to you. Hello! I put his seatbelt and the swim belt around his waist. Finally, I draw wavy lines around them. That is the water and the waves. I love it! Now I'm going to use this black marker to make this beautiful drawing more visible. Let's start coloring. First, I color Pato. He is a yellow duck, so I color his body with this yellow marker. I use orange for his beak. Finally, I color his hat with dark green. For his swimming belt, I use purple. Now I am going to color Pocoyo. I use cream for his skin. Then light red for his mouth. I color his outfit blue. Yellow. I color his belt with red. Finally, I add different shades of blue for the water. And I add a little yellow to the background. Amazing! If you like this video, please like this video and subscribe to the channel. See you in the next video.